Yeah, just trying out the camera. Just trying out a new camera on the phone, which is a wide-angle lens. You get quite a lot of stuff in view. Pretty surprised. I've added a new controller onto the Fleischmann Twin Center. The add-on controller, that's not the standalone one. That's designed to be plugged into this. And then the Profi bosses, which look like that, they plug into the twin centers as well. And one at the other end. You can get a pretty good view of the mountain area. I've got the climbers going up there. The castle, which leads into the caravan site around the back via a road, a little path. We've got climbers going up there. More of them going up there. That's the road path into the castle area. That's floodlit at night. Got the holiday makers. Caravan site. Track that goes around the back of the mountain. And that breaks out into storage area for the narrow gauge junction diesel depot. This is now the diesel track maintenance depot. Storage for DMUs and refueling area for small diesel engines. I know I've got an electric one there, but that's just to tow the track cleaning unit. That's the scratch-built bridge, which is made out of balsa wood. That's the link into the actual station area, which looks like that. And I brought the clouds obviously right up into the roof on that. Small narrow gauge station with LED lighting per hour. You just pull out these lights, just if you need any maintenance you just plug in and out. That's the narrow gauge running through, which is Roco. Everything's lit up around this area. Station lights up at night. Can't really see it in this at the moment. Lighting, small car park, truck holding area for the goods depot. Link road in. And that is the container depot area at the moment. Steam yard is over there. That's a new steam yard. Obviously we've got a few lines there for storage for the goods yard. The road carries on into another goods yard. Truck train's ready to dock. When it docks with a platform, I'll just move that forward a bit. That's what happens. Docks with the ramp. Obviously the trucks don't come off, it's all static. When the trucks come off and get guided around up the link road to the storage area up there. We've got another train, goods trains ready to go into another storage area at the far end. That's the gravel area and coal. Unloading area, which that's operational. That building will load up the wagons. It's been modified. Now it works off electric switch. Off one of these switches here. I'm just doing a bit of track maintenance, wagon maintenance on a narrow gauge. I've got the programming track for narrow gauge. HO programming track, rolling roads, just doing a bit of wheel oiling, etc. And that is it, and that breaks out underneath. I'll just nip under here. Obviously there's some more switches here for switching the goods yard. Got a few trains ready for going out. And everything is lit and ready to rock and roll. Got a few trains in here. Everything's all mixed areas. Don't bother me, anything goes on this layout. White variety. And obviously there's the station hotel. And that's where it ends at the moment. Now I have a joggers track with people jogging along that track, which runs the entire length of my attic. That's just a quick update really on the camera. Don't know what it's going to look like, but it's got quite a nice lens on it. Okay, thank you.